You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this logistics company, originally from Germany. In German, Kuehne Nagel. Kuehne Nagel. Now in English it's generally referred to. If you want to learn more confusing brand names, make sure to absolutely stay tuned to the channel. We've got loads to learn here. In English, the pronunciation, Kuehne Nagel. So not Nagel, Kuehne Nagel, Kuehne Nagel. Now you know, logistics, transport, brand, Kuehne Nagel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.